Is this world fa 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 fa? Hey.
Welcome back again to another episode of Cook, Eat and Rejoice with All Tribes. On today's episode, our guest will be making the popular egg soup from Benue State, and he will be making this egg soup with a beautiful swallow. I've never tasted it before, so obviously it will be my first time. I hope you all will find this video enjoyable. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's go and meet up with our guest in the market, as we will be buying everything that he will be needing at the market. And also his budget today is 6,000 naira, because he said it is a sapa food that you can prepare with a minimum of 6,000 naira. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's go to the market as we meet up with our guests. Hi, it's nice having you. What's your name? Can you introduce yourself to us?
Hi, my name is Kelvin. I'm a video editor and a documentary filmmaker and all-round great guy.
All-round great guy. You can feel yourself. What will you be preparing for us on the show today?
I'll be preparing what we call eggs.
Okay.
Soup. It's made with vegetables and eggs.
All right.
Eggs are the major source of protein, and it's from Benue State. By the people of Benue State.
Okay, so we have 6,000 naira for you for this show. Would that be enough to make this sapa soup?
That's the point of egg soup. Egg soup can be made with any amount of money. You can make egg soup with
1,000 naira.
1,000 naira. You can make it with 50,000 naira.
Wow.
It's just about what you have.
All right, let's go into the market and go and buy all the ingredients that you will be needing. The only thing you are not meant to buy in the market is salt, because salt is available in the kitchen. All right, make sure you buy all your ingredients. If not, there's no ingredients in the kitchen. All right, thank you. Let's go. So we're about to withdraw now. We'll be withdrawing 10,000 naira plus 6,000 naira is for our guest. All right, so let's do it. Account number.
Yeah, this one.
Yes, ma. You don't need for 500. Okay. We are getting green. Okay, so
Typically, I prefer to like more vegetable. Yeah, I prefer to.
So we are getting vegetables now, and here we are getting 1,000 naira vegetables. What next?
Pepper, onions.
Okay.
See, let's just buy fufu and eat it with fufu.
Okay.
So we don't have to make. Aloni, after. I don't even know, but how much is this one? 2,000. This two will be enough.
Is it okay?
This two will be enough.
Is that what you live in village?
Yeah,
Okay.
and onions.
Grandma ba appreciate
See locust beans.
Say what?
Locust beans.
Brother, I said to you that come and buy from
Mama, good afternoon. How much
We don't
is
need that now.
Will this be enough?
This is the same thing. This one is enough.
200, Abby. So, locust beans, 200 naira. Thank you.
5,000. I only need like 8 or 10.
Only 5 divided by 3, that's how much. You don't sell 10? How much is that one? 10. 10
10 of that one be 2,000. How much would I not selling pieces?
The what?
That one is 600.
Like 600 how? Okay, each one 600.
Three 600.
So that would be
It's
2,000. That but you said that one is 2,000 now. Then this one would be.
200 naira. Still the same.
Let's have that one.
Well, give us 10.
Onions.
Get it outside. Where we park.
So how much is it?
100 naira per one.
100 naira for one. And we're four. So let's just get maybe 6 or 7. 7.
Over 12 is 1,000. Àwọn agbẹ́jọ́ ọlọ́run ló fẹ́ jẹun. Àwọn agbẹ́jọ́ ọlọ́run ló fẹ́ jẹun. So we are getting people now, and each people is 100 naira per one.
So we're supposed to get, it's not even for food that we're supposed to get. We're supposed to get laughing, but I'm kind of exhausted to make that. So why don't we go for something easier?
Thank you. Okay, so now let's go.
Why are we buying the oil, the red oil?
Quarter of palm oil. How much? 600. 600. Okay, give us quarter. We have 800 naira left.
800?
Yes, and we are getting palm oil of 600 naira, which is the quarter. Mama, say Maggi wa. Maggi wa. Maggi 200. So we are getting Maggi of 200 naira, which means 6,000 naira cannot be enough for this.
Wait, though, that means it's probably due to the eggs, you know?
No,
we
not
got
just
more,
the eggs, what's it called? The vegetable. You said 500 naira.
The lamb was supposed to be 1,500. We ended up buying food for 1,000 naira. So there was 500 naira extra money left. So that means it covered up for the vegetable and the eggs. So there's nothing out of place here now. It's the same thing. We're still on track.
Okay. So what else do we
There's
have?
nothing else. Just
Onions.
500 naira onions.
Okay, thank you, Mama. Where my customer? Good afternoon.
It's your customer.
Customer, you don't do two things at a time. Now you dey sell cement again. My customer, you get money o. Just 400 naira. My customer get money. 400 naira. So this is all we got for 6,400 naira, and now it is time to hit the road as we go to the kitchen to go and prepare our egg soup. All right, let's go. Our egg
Let's go.
Captain Cook, we're about to cook the best meal you've ever seen. This is chemistry.
All right, so beautiful people, now we are back to the kitchen and we've already prepped, but it will be showing us everything that we have here because we are about to start the cooking. So what's the first thing that we'll be doing?
First thing we'll be doing is to boil water. You need to boil enough water to soak the vegetables so you can have it steam.
Okay.
That will be the first step. So
all right, let's get that done. Let me light it up. Lift me up.
Okay. So I'm going to let the water boil. It has to boil. Because that's the only thing that we use to cook this vegetable.
All right.
So we're going to blend this.
All right. Let me bring the blender.
Blend it.
Okay.
So while the water is boiling, the next step is to grab our pot
Okay.
and
It's like I went to fry the pepper.
All right.
First, we have to bleach the oil. Personally, most people don't bleach their oil, but my mom tells me that it's taboo to not bleach your oil. I don't know why. I still don't understand why you have to bleach the oil. Some people say bleaching the oil means that you have to kill out the pollutants and whatnot. So I don't know. You just have to bleach the oil. And by bleaching it, I mean you put it on high heat. The oil obviously changes color. Then you know it's ready to introduce your pepper. The next step now, our oil is still bleaching. We're going to add this in. It's going to so I'm going to cover up the pot and wait for this to cook, because if you don't cover it up, it's just going to stain everywhere. So we'll wait for this to cook for 10 minutes. So our water is boiled, and coincidentally, our pepper is also almost ready. I'm going to cut this off. So I'm going to pour this in here till the entire vegetable is submerged in it, because this is how we're going to steam it. And we're not using all the water here. In order to save time, we're going to still use part of this boiled water to pour into. Yeah, this is enough. So I have to cover this so it steams proper. I'm going to now use the water from the kettle to add to the pot. I need to keep this somewhere. This is hot. So add this. I need a spoon to be able to tell the water is enough, so I can know the base. That's the spoon. Already prepared this much, so judging this water will be enough is important for my number. I just add a little more. Yeah. I have to introduce our seasoning.
All right.
Now, salt, the seasoning cube, and the locust beans. Introducing our salt. I don't know if the salt is enough, but I usually need to use my hand to measure my salt to know the volume. Using our seasoning cubes. I have 4 seasoning cubes here. Finally, we're introducing locust beans, already washed and clean. This is locust beans. This is what locust beans look like. In fact, I don't know the origins of this. I don't know where it's gotten from, but it's probably like from some tree or something. And it has a very peculiar smell. So we'll allow this to simmer for a few minutes before we introduce our egg. Now the point of allowing it to simmer is very important, because when preparing egg sauce, especially among many people, it's extremely important that you don't have chunks of seasoning cubes. Under no circumstance should you have chunks of seasoning cubes, like an unforgivable offense in Benin to have seasoning cube chunks when a person eating and taste chunks, which may happen when you don't allow your seasoning to melt or mix properly. So after applying the seasoning cubes, I need to leave this to simmer for say 2 minutes. Then I will stir it again to ensure that no seasoning cube is left whole.
All right.
So we'll come back after 2 minutes to introduce our eggs. So this is the most important part of the cooking of this entire soup making process. So apply our whipped eggs, and there's a pattern to applying it. You can't pour it in one place, or you need to have like a big chunk. So I'm going to pour it in circular motion around the edges. Ensuring that everything stays at different portions and it's like evenly spread. I'm going to go to the middle. If you notice, the egg is forming already. Now, this is very important. You don't stir, you don't do anything, don't add the spoon or whatever. You leave it to cook. And sometimes you might have to wait for it till the bottom part starts getting burnt, but you need to leave it to cook, else your egg soup will not look good at all. So I'm going to leave this for say 5 minutes and then we'll come back and introduce our vegetable and that will be all.
All right.
So it's been about 5 to 7 minutes since we put this on fire, and as you can see, the egg is cooked and it's like formed in chunks like this, and the stew is separate, the egg is separate, and that's why it was important to not touch it while it was cooking. If we had touched it, it would have scattered. So final step now is to introduce our already steamed vegetable. So I'm now going to introduce our vegetable that has already been steamed, very important. And remember, we're not cooking the vegetable because we don't want it to be soggy. And the water, I think I got the water volume perfectly, because looking at this now, the water is just enough. So stir and mix everything up. The water is perfect, not too much, not too small, just perfect to give us a beautiful soup. Mix this up and we're going to leave this to cook for less than 1 minute. Want this to be say 40 seconds. Typically I would just turn it off, but let's just leave it to cook for say 40 seconds because we don't want our vegetable to lose its texture. So 40 seconds or less, maybe 20 seconds actually, and we're done here.
All right, so beautiful people, now we have our taster in the building that will be tasting our soup, egg soup from Benue State. So you're highly welcome, our taster. Can you just go ahead and have the meal, eat as many as possible, and give us your honest review?
Okay, Mr. Kelvin.
I can feel it. Even right from here, I can feel like this is good.
Feel me?
Like it well. Like it well.
It's actually not bad.
Okay,
For real.
just give me. Put some in my mouth.
Scale of 1 to 10.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give you 8.
I want
When
to
you say it's
be.
not bad, define your parameters.
Like, it's actually delicious.
Taste,
The taste is okay. It's
texture, the presentation.
it's more like our normal vegetable soup. I think the difference is the egg.
Okay.
Is our normal vegetable soup? What do you mean?
Eforiru, the normal vegetable eforiru.
Vegetable prepared by you, but people.
Yes, actually. So I think the difference is the protein. So
Okay.
let's say your protein is this egg, while our home protein is more fish and the beef. But this is not bad actually. We can actually use more protein if you ask me.
Like,
It's a-
if you are to prepare something like this, you will love.
It's a soup for people who don't have much money.
Yes, actually. But if you want to be the big girl like I am, I think I'll add
Protein, right?
that protein to it.
Okay,
But
let me
this
have
is
it.
actually but I'm not your man.
Don't feed me.
I think
Enjoying it, right?
yes, you people should
Awesome.
try it. It's actually not bad. This is
Awesome.
delicious. 100. It's delicious.
All right, thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate your presence. We appreciate this special meal because it is a special one. On behalf of production team, we are presenting this to you. Hopefully that when we invite you next time, you will definitely come. Thank you so much. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Would you love to try this soup at home? Let me know in the comment section. All right, and please share with friends and families, and we will see you in our next one. Bye.